Cucumbers, the crunchy snack with salad street cred and pickling potential. But they're also needy. They want sunshine, trellises, and a friend group that won't sabotage them. In this video, we're diving into how to grow happy, productive cucumbers, with everything from picking the right variety to companion planting and pest control. Plus, the strong Echo AI gardening app helps get any question answered instantly so you can be sure you're growing the best cucumbers. Drop Cuke Life in the comments if you're growing this year. Like and subscribe if you've ever had a cucumber grow into a weird letter of the alphabet. You can grow it. Chapter 1. Pick the right variety. Options. Slicing. Big, juicy, perfect for salads. Pickling. Smaller, crisp, ideal for brine life. Burpless. Less bitter, easier to digest. Bush. Compact, container-friendly. Vining. More productive, needs support. Tips. Check if it's disease-resistant. Look for codes like PMR equals powdery mildew resistant. Go hybrid if you want easy wins. Heirloom if you're feeling adventurous. Mistakes to avoid. Choosing vining varieties with no trellis plan. Growing slicing cucumbers for pickling. Different taste, different texture. Chapter 2. When and how to plant. Timing. Soil temp must be 70 degrees plus. Cucumbers hate cold feet. Start indoors. 3 to 4 weeks before last frost, or direct sow after frost is gone. How to plant. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep. Space 12 inches apart in rows, or 2 to 3 per hill. Trellis early to avoid tangled regrets. Mistakes to avoid. Planting too early equals seeds rot or sulk. Skipping trellis setup equals cucumber chaos. Not thinning equals overcrowding plus low airflow. Chapter 3. Location and sunlight. Requirements. Full sun, 6 to 8 hours daily. Good airflow to prevent mildew. Avoid areas where cucurbits, squash/melons, grew last year. Tips. Use reflective mulch or white-painted surfaces to bounce light. Raise beds for better drainage and earlier soil warmth. Mistakes to avoid. Planting in partial shade equals leggy plants plus sad fruit. Reusing old cucumber spots equals disease carryover. Ignoring airflow equals mildew magnet. Chapter 4. Water and fertilizer needs. Water. Consistent equals happy cucumbers. 1-2 inches per week. Water deeply, not daily sprinkles. Mulch to lock in moisture. Fertilizer. Compost at planting. Balanced. 10-10-10. Every 3 weeks once flowers appear. Too much nitrogen equals all leaf, no fruit. Mistakes to avoid. Inconsistent watering equals bitter fruit. Overhead watering equals leaf diseases. High nitrogen equals cucumber vine, no cucumber. Chapter 5. Trellising and pruning. Trellising benefits. Saves space. Improves airflow. Keeps fruit clean and straight. Easier to spot and harvest. How to trellis. Use netting, fence panels, bamboo, or sunflowers. Yes, really. Start training early. Guide gently. Use clips or twist ties if needed. Pruning. Remove yellowing leaves. Pinch lower suckers to encourage upward growth. Mistakes to avoid. Trellising too late equals tangled mess. Letting vines sprawl equals pests plus mildew. Overpruning equals stressed plant. Chapter 6. Companion planting for cucumbers. BFFs. Lettuce. Keeps soil cool, lives under the shade. Nasturtiums. Trap aphids plus cucumber beetles. Sunflowers. Natural trellis, pollinator magnets. Dill. Attracts predatory bugs. Garlic. Repels aphids and beetles. Marigolds. Root nematode repellers. Borage. Attracts bees, rumored to boost flavor. Enemies. Potatoes. Disease risk. Nutrient hog. Melons. Compete for space plus pests. Sage plus other aromatics. stunt cucumber growth. Mistakes to avoid: letting nasturtiums get overrun with bugs, planting cucumbers with sprawling melons, overcrowding support plants. Chapter 7. Pest Patrol. Watch for cucumber beetles, striped, spread disease, aphids, tiny, sappy, and clingy, spider mites, webby and thirsty, powdery mildew, looks like ghost dandruff, natural defenders, neem oil, insecticidal soap, row covers for seedlings, dill, marigolds, and nasturtiums for bug bait and allies. Mistakes to avoid: ignoring early damage, overwatering Eatswell's fungus party, treating all bugs like enemies. Keep ladybugs. Keep. Chapter 8. Harvest like a pro. When to harvest: 6 to 8 inches for slicing, 4 to 5 inches for pickling. Firm, smooth, deep green. Tips: use scissors. Don't yank. Harvest often equals more production. Every 2 to 3 days during peak season. Mistakes to avoid: waiting too long equals bitter, seedy cukes. Leaving overgrown fruit equals plant thinks its job is done. Pulling the vine while picking equals oops. Chapter 9. General tips and common mistakes. Tips: rotate crops yearly. Keep mulch around base. Watch for yellowing leaves or stress signal. Support early, prune smart. Water roots, not leaves. Common mistakes: skipping trellis equals cucumber octopus. Watering inconsistently equals bitter or cracked fruit. Over-fertilizing equal vines that ghost you on fruit. Ignoring companions equal pest explosion. You've got the tools. You've got the tips. You've got the cucumber confidence now. Comment: Cucumber Commander, if you're ready to grow. Get the Strong Echo AI gardening app to plan and absolutely crush your cucumber season. Like and subscribe for more growing guides and to avoid vine regret, because bitter cucumbers are optional. But garden glory? You can grow it.